Hello, this is Ian and Ben with DC Digital, and today we are going to be showcasing our DC-40C Conveyor Belt Rate per Minute production counter. So what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to keep count of the number of products that are being made per minute in a conveyor belt, and how it will work is the object sensor is placed above the conveyor belt and detects the objects, or the products, or I should say. Then the display will calculate the estimated number of objects in production per minute. So I have Ben over here, and he's going to showcase the functions of the object sensor, and afterwards I will take over and explain the hardware aspect of this model.
Okay, so thank you, Ian. This sensor is, each time the photo eye is tripped, it starts to track the time in between trips, and then it calculates that time in between trips as a rate per minute. So the time in between this stroke and that stroke was 1/81th of a minute, if that makes any sense. If the objects or the machine or the line is running irregular, the rate will be very irregular. To indicate a more consistent approach, I'm going to use a simple machine here. If I can achieve a constant rate, so we're going to try and achieve a consistent rate here. And you can see as it goes around it, and if I speed up, the rate speeds up. And if I slow down, the rate slows down.
Okay, so we're just going to open this thing up here, and in order to do this, we would need a Phillips screwdriver. So as you can see, now we currently have the screws taken out of the faceplate, so we're just going to take off the faceplate from the enclosure. And as you can see, this is how we are able to hook up the object sensor to the enclosure. As you can see, there is a terminal block inside here that allows us to input the object sensor, and as you can see, we have a little instruction sticker at the bottom that helps the user determine which wire goes to where. Like the black wire would go to terminal 1, and the blue wire will go to terminal 2, and the brown wire will go to terminal 3. And that allows the user to input the diffused object sensor. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, as you can see, its enclosure is an IP66 all aluminum gasketed black powder coated enclosure. We have an optional standard IP60 enclosure. Our display size is 4 inches that is viewable up to a total of 200 feet away, and the digits that we have inside are 4 digits that can count up to a total of 9,999 products. Our power type is an SJEOW NEMA 515 power cord that is 9 feet long. For mounting, we have our 2 teardrop on the back of the enclosure. And last but not least, we have our DC diffuse object sensor, which is sold separately, and it detects objects between 0 and 10 feet away. So again, this is Ian and Ben with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-40C Conveyor Belt Rate per Minute production counter. Thanks for watching.